This one is gonna get a new quarter panel, which I have right here. I have a Volkswagen Jetta here. This one got hit down low in this quarter panel extension down here, and it really wadded all of this up. It was shoved in a lot more. I made a couple pulls on it the other day just to kind of see what it was gonna do. From that getting hit, it actually even caused a buckle in the quarter panel right here, and kind of in the middle of it right here. Then there's a little damage on the dog leg area right here as well. So this one is gonna get a new quarter panel, which I have right here, and it's gonna get sectioned in roughly right here and right about here. I'll make some final measurements later, but I'm gonna roughly get this panel cut off for now. So I have this quarter panel sitting on here, and it's overlapping the remainder of the quarter panel on the car by a few inches. I'm gonna scribe right where this quarter panel is gonna go, and I'm gonna scribe it at both joints. Then I'll lift this quarter panel back off and I'll trim that back the rest of the way, and that'll give me a perfect seam. So I have this one all fit together. My gaps back here are looking nice and even, as well as my door gap. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lift this quarter panel back off because it gets panel bond adhesive throughout this area, and then it also, I have to put a sealer around the gas filler, and then I will put this back on permanently and get it welded together. So before I took this quarter panel back off, I put 4 or 5 holes in the corners all the way around the quarter panel for the sheet metal screws, and I'm using these as alignment holes to make sure the panel's sitting in the same spot it was sitting before. So as long as I put these screws in all the same holes, it'll be lining up and sitting exactly where I had it. So I have to reproduce, you guys see the seam sealer right here? I have to reproduce that seam on this side. So I'm gonna tape it off. Now this is 3M heavy bodied seam sealer I have here. Then I'm gonna spread this out, and if I need to, once it's dry, I'll run some sandpaper over it just to knock the top off. There it is. I'll let that dry. Then I will take just some 180 grit and run over it quickly to smooth it out, and it will look good. Now this is epoxy primer. I'm gonna put down where the window urethane goes, where the back glass glues in. This is how they recommend gluing any type of glass, and they want it on top of epoxy like this.